How to fix YouTube Shorts not showing on homepage. So if you want to fix your YouTube Shorts not showing on homepage, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with youtube.com. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, now as you can see that I have my shorts right here, I'll be able to view shorts from my home page. But if you don't find your shorts right here, then what you can do is you will have shorts option on the upper left side of your screen, right below the home option. You need to click on shorts and you'll be able to watch shorts. You can just simply scroll and you will have your shorts. So in order to get shorts on your home screen or on your home page, you need to watch shorts for a few days, like for 1 2 or at least 3 days. And after that, YouTube will automatically suggest you some shorts in your home page. So if you don't find your shorts on your home page, you can just simply go with shorts right here and then you'll be able to watch shorts. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.